supply uninterrupted irrigation water to Loktak Lift Irrigation LLI Canal, Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren released water through Pump House number 1 of Loktak project this morning after a gap of 1 decade. Water Resource Minister Letpa Haukib, Chairman of Loktak Development Authority LDA, MLA L. Shushindro, Chairman of MPCB, MLA L. Radhakishore also attended the program. More than 4,200 cases of the coronavirus disease, COVID-19, the biggest spike so far, and 97 deaths were reported in the last 24 hours in India, the Union Health Ministry said this morning. India's tally of the respiratory disease jumped to 67,152 with 44,029 active cases. 20,916 people have recovered and 2,206 fatalities, according to the Health Ministry's dashboard at 8 a.m. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi and Tamil Nadu continue to report a large number of COVID-19 cases, according to a media report. Amid COVID-19 pandemic, the African swine fever has killed over 13,000 pigs in Assam, affecting the livelihood of thousands of already economically distressed people. Animal Husbandry, Veterinary and Agriculture Minister Atul Bora said that 13,033 pigs died in 9 districts of Assam during the past several weeks. The Kaziranga National Park Authority has dug a 2-kilometer long and 6 feet deep trench to protect its wild boar, also known as wild swine, from the outbreak of the contagious ASF, Bora told in a press meet. Deputy Commissioner Jiribam W. Manglinganba Chenglei, who is also the chairman of Indian Red Cross Society Jiribam branch, today held a meeting to review preparedness to receive stranded Manipuris at Jiribam. The meeting was held at his residence. Superintendent of Police M. Mubi Singh, Sub-Divisional Police Officer T.H. Sana Tomba Singh, Officer in Charge L. Khogan Singh and General Secretary of Indian Red Cross Society Jiribam District H. Rajen Kumar Singh attended the meeting. Amid the ongoing nationwide lockdown and curfew, WhatsApp group Hingmi Nasi Aikoi extended aid to poor and needy families in Wangoi, Mayang Imphal, Charangpat and Khangabok areas. Ahead of the arrival of several Khangabok and Thawal residents now stranded in different parts of the country due to the nationwide lockdown, local MLA Okram Surjakumar today visited all designated quarantine centers in Khangabok and Thawal areas. The places he visited were Uyal High School, Sangayumpam Higher Secondary School, Khangabok Higher Secondary School, Athopam High School, Madrasa Jamia Islamia Sangayumpam, Samaram Upper Primary School and Ketrilekai High School. As the lockdown moves towards the end of the third phase, Indian Railways has announced that it will gradually resume the services across routes from May 12. Bookings will be open on the IRCT website from 4 p.m. today. The Indian Railways yesterday announced that train services, which were stopped since Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced complete lockdown of the country, will gradually resume, starting with 15 special trains in the first phase, according to media reports. Union Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh provided a sigh of relief to the students from the northeastern of Delhi University. According to a media report, Dr. Singh clarified that these northeastern students of DU will not have to vacate the hostel in view of lockdown. Donor Minister took to Twitter, stating that the issue that arose on Saturday night as a result of eviction notice to some of them to leave the hostel has been sorted out. International tourism could decline by 60 to 80% in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, resulting in the revenue loss of $910 billion to $1.2 trillion and placing millions of livelihoods at risk, the World Tourism Organization has said. The Global International Agency said that the pandemic has caused a 22% fall in international tourist arrivals during the first quarter of 2020. According to the United Nations Specialized Agency, the global health crisis could lead to an annual tourism decline between 60% to 80% when compared to the 2019 figures.